Hello, my dear children. How are you all? I hope you all are doing great. I am your Deepti ma'am. Today we are going to learn about parts of a plant. So, tell me, what is plant? Plants are living things that grow from the soil and turn light from the sun to food. Parts of plants are flower, leaf, fruit, stem, root. What is this? Flower. F L O W E R. Flower. And tell me, what is this? Leaf. L E A F. Leaf. What is this? Yeah, this is a fruit. F R U I T. Fruit. This is a stem. S T E M. Stem. What is this? Root. R O O T. Root. First one is flower. It is the most beautiful part of a plant. Next one is fruit. I think you all like to eat fruits, isn't it? Fruits are very healthy and tasty. So next one is stem. Very good. It is strong and help the plant to stand. Next one is root. Roots absorb water and nutrients from the soil. This is a leaves. Leaves come in different shapes, size and colors. Leaves make food for the plant.
Your friends are green all around you. I am seeing my main parts are the stems and roots, leaves, colorful flowers and...
It's quiz time. Match parts of the plant, okay? Tell me, what is this? Flower. Where is flower? Very good. Okay. Tell me, what is this? Very good, children. This is a leaf. Where is leaf? Good job, children. What is this? This is a root. Where is root? Very good. The root. And what is this? Stem. Draw a line from the label to the correct part of the plant. Roots. Where is roots? Tell me. Very good, children. Okay, tell me, where is the leaf? Very good. This is a leaf. Stem. The stem? Very good, children. This is the stem. Who's this? Flower. Where is the flower? Tell me. Yes, the flower.
Do it yourself. Now it is worksheet time. Kids to practice what they have learned now. Parents can download the worksheet from the link provided in the description below. After completing the worksheet, the same needs to be mailed at edu@udayankidz.com. Our academic team will review and return the checked sheet to the same email ID.
Do you know the parts of plants? The parts of plants, the parts of plants. Do you know the parts of plants?
I hope you all are enjoying this video. See you in next class. Bye bye children.
Let's make learning fun for everyone. Like, share and subscribe Udayan Kids.